Have to get away from Babylon. Get away, get away, get away, get away. I know that we are leaving. I know.
Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. I'm the Hungry Ranger, and tonight I'm going to cook a bit of a treat. It's going to be chicken jalfrezi, which I asked for comments, and people put it up that they wanted chicken jalfrezi, especially Jim Pritchard. So Jim, this is for you, okay? I'm going to show you how to cook it and what ingredients we've got, and we'll see how we go from there. Beer for choice tonight, it's Hobgoblin Ruby beer. It's 5.2% volume, so we'll have a wee bevy of that then. I've never tried this before, so this will be first with this. Cheers. A big shout out to all the Royal Irish and Northern Ireland, and also to the people in Blacon in Chester for subscribing to the channel. Thanks very much. It all helps out. Cheers. That's nice. Okay, let's go down and we'll have a look at the ingredients anyway. Okay, so what have we got here then? This is half a large onion, roughly chopped. A red pepper, roughly chopped. A green pepper, roughly chopped. Here is some green chillies, and for my taste I'm adding some, you don't have to add it if you don't want to, I'm adding some ghost peppers. A tomato cut into 4. This is garlic and chilli paste. 200 ml of water. Hot chili powder. Garam masala, turmeric, coriander, mixed spice. That's a teaspoon of each. In here is 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, which mixed with water. Pre-cooked chicken. Now what I done with the pre-cooked chicken is marinated it with some garam masala, turmeric, coriander and mixed spice. Put it in the fridge for 10-15 minutes, and then this is already cooked up. This here is a paste I made. This is made from a tub of natural yogurts, not Greek yogurts, but natural yogurts. And it's got garam masala, turmeric, coriander and mixed spice in it, and a little bit of mint sauce, just to make it into a, you can actually freeze that, you can put it into ice trays and freeze it. Here is some chopped coriander, fresh coriander. That'll do for pre-cooking, and also a little bit of garnish. So let's go and see if we can cook it up. Okay, so into the pan we add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Just let that heat up. we add our onions. Just cook them off. The thing with a jalfrezi, your vegetables need to be chunky. They need that bit of bite. So we'll just fry them off. 30 seconds. 30 seconds is good enough for that. Then to that we're going to add garlic and ginger paste. Fry them all together. Just let that cook down. I'm now going to add the red and the green peppers. Just give that 20 or 30 seconds to cook down. now going to add the tomato puree. We can now add the spices. You really need to cook your spices down because if you don't cook the spices down, you're going to be left with a grainy taste within the curry. Just let that cook down a little bit. Add a little bit of water. That's just to stop the spices from burning. Tell you what guys, that smells absolutely awesome. Okay, to that now we can add our chillies. As I say, if you don't like it spicy, too hot and spicy, just add a couple of chillies. You don't even need to add chillies if you don't want to. Add a little more water. I actually forgot to add something to the ingredients there. You add salt to taste, so add a little bit of salt. Now we can add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of your paste. This is going to be for 2 people, so I'm going to add 3.5 spoonfuls of paste into that. Then you can add your tomatoes. And your pre-cooked chicken. Fresh coriander. Turn the heat down and just let that simmer away for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, once the oil starts separating from the dish, you basically know that it's cooked then. So it's actually time to plate up. So let's plate it up and let's see what it tastes like. Okay guys, there you have it. Plate it up. A little bit of fresh coriander over the top. Let's taste this bad boy. There you go, chicken jalfrezi. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. You can taste them spices. Oh. Thanks for watching guys, enjoy. Unbelievable. God, I'm good. Cheers for watching. Thank you. Subscribe. Let's see some more. Bye.